Okay, we are calling Subway today to do a little prank call and see if this works. Okay. Speaker.
Oh dear.
Hi. Is this Subway?
Yes.
Yeah. Sure it is. Are you sure this is Subway? Are you sure? Because last time I called, and it wasn't Subway, it was the Hair Intestine Brennan. I have to make sure this is Subway. Is this Subway? Yeah. Is this Subway? Is this Subway? Okay, I would like to place an order. Hello? I'd like to place an order. Are they listening? Oh my god. I'd like to place an order. Is this Subway? Okay, anyways. I just wanted to make sure it was Subway because I've had some problems lately calling Subway. Okay. I would like 2 Big Macs. Okay. I have no idea what you just said. I just want 2 Big Macs. Just, you know what? Just get the 2 Big Macs. I don't need anything. I'll pay the full price. I'm sorry. I left the coupons. At home. What do you mean they don't have coupons? What do you mean you don't have Big Macs? I don't understand. This is Subway. You're supposed to sell Big Macs. I'm sorry, I'm getting a little upset. It's just, I want my Big Mac. They hung up on me. Can you believe it?